Welcome to Re5. Today I'm gonna be redesigning my small laundry room in the small place to mount a wall-mounted drying rack. As you can see here, my laundry room is really small. So washer and dryer sits side by side with the upper cabinet, and on this side is the wall leading to garage, and on this side it's another cabinet with some countertop space and a bottom cabinet. So basically, if I want to have a drying rack mounted somewhere, that's probably the only available space, even though there is a water heater control panel here. So basically what I did is I choose this area to mount my drying rack, and I bought one from Home Depot. This is the item. It's called Step Up drying rack. It's a metal piece. It's very heavy. There are two sizes available, and there's several colors. I choose the white color and the smaller size, which is around 27.5 inch in width. And this one is about around 4 to 5 pounds, and all the pieces here are metal. So the cover are metal, and the rod where you hang your clothes are also metal. I believe aluminum. Okay, so basically the package come with a template where you can cut from the box, the drying rack, a bag of screw you can hang into the wood stand or the drywall, and a washer, and some washer in it, and also a long drill bit, so you'd have to have like a drill or impact driver to secure to this screws. Okay, and what I did is firstly use the magnetic to find the stud. So I find the first line here. It's a stud place where I can put these two holes into the wood. And also the third line also stud. So basically, when I place this wall template here, I know I use this tool to drill a small hole, so I locate the point, the center point of this screw here for all 8. And then I know for this first 2 and the third 2 screw, I will be driving into the wood. Well, the other 2 pairs, I will be using the drywall screw. Okay, so now I can do the drilling part. Okay, it's the drying rack is finally installed. It takes about half an hour to install this, and I like the look of it. It's very slim, so it's really a space saver. When it's not in use, it really rests here and does not bother. So I can open the door here. I can just it's barely noticeable here. So when you use it, you have to use 2 hands just to open it, and then you just move it to fully open it. So it's like this. So because this is all metal, so it's quite the rod is quite wide and it's rollable. So it's like, in this case, like today my family went to swimming. I just used my Samsung Dual Flex washer, only the top compartment to wash. It's a smaller compartment compared to the main compartment. So after I wash it, it spins, and it's almost, there's not much, it's not so wet. So I just like hang it here. So like I hang it here, I just drag it, because this is rollable, so it will stay there because it has a texture on the rod. So I'll just hang another one here, for instance, in another bar. So like here, So again, drag it, spread it. So basically, you have 5 rods like this. You can hang clothes. I think after it's dry, so you can just roll it, remove your clothes, and just roll it. So as you can see here, the good thing is because the size I choose for this one, so it does not protrude too much from the width of my cabinet. So it doesn't really, even it's in use, it's not occupies a lot of space. So that's also why I choose this size. So you have to choose the size and the color based on your space. So the major limitation, is the sound of the metal, because it's all metal and because of the design of it. So when you open or close it, let me show you after you've done with drawing rack, using the drawing rack, you want to close it. So basically, so, and then you close it. So the major limitation I feel is the noise it makes, because this part of metal and this rod chafe with each other, so it has a bit of noise. But the good thing of this one is it's the metal piece is quite solid. It's not flimsy at all. So it's good enough for this type of design. So you never feel it's flimsy or the sharp edges, it's not, because it's rounded. So basically I think it's a good heavy duty closing rod. But if they can improve this part, by wrap this part with some kind of rubbery material, it will reduce the noise, which is even better. But other than that, I feel, and also because of the design, those 2 screws more protrude, not as like this part, like more flash. So, but other than that, I feel this is a very, functional design. So I am happy with it. Thank you.